I've just been packing my suitcase for Yorkshire, and I was going to film a pack with me or what I've packed for Yorkshire, but that's boring. So I've already started packing, and what I thought I would do is I would put into ChatGPT and see what it suggests I pack. I'm an overpacker, so I feel like I've already packed too much. But let me just quickly run through what I've got. So I've got some makeup, and it's not as much as I normally take. It's just in a small bag. I've got hair stuff, and like creams and lotions and potions, which is more than I normally take, but let's not talk about it. I've not packed any shoes yet. I've packed a couple of pairs of jeans, some trousers, a dress, some shorts because I'm being hopeful, and probably enough t-shirts to get me through the week, but maybe I need to put another couple more in. I'm thinking about adding a couple more dresses, maybe some more trousers or jeans. And I've packed a jumper, 2 jumpers. So that's what I've got so far, and obviously underwear and things like that. So let's see what ChatGPT suggests. I've got it pulled up just here. Just think it'll be interesting to see if ChatGPT can pack for me. Because if it can, then I won't need to think about it ever again, and I won't overpack. But I do always worry. I'm quite clumsy, so I do always worry that I'm going to like spill on myself and stuff. So we're away for 7 nights. We already have told you all the different things we're going to be doing. It's not really anywhere, we're not really going anywhere fancy, so I don't really need anything fancy. So I guess I just put it in as a basic prompt. So, hi, okay, so I wrote, hi, we're travelling to Yorkshire for 7 nights. Please have a look at the weather. I gave it the dates. Please have a look at the weather and plan a complete packing list for me. If you have any follow-up questions, please ask. Let's see what he comes back with. Okay, so it's giving me a weather forecast. It does not look warm enough for shorts. So it says chilly in the mornings, sun and cloud with occasional showers. Overall vibe is classic UK spring. That sucks. Okay, so for 7 nights, it's suggested 5 to 6 tops with a mixture of t-shirts and long sleeves. So I've already packed at least 5, but I would pack way more than that. Like maybe 12 for a 7-night trip, because I'm going to spill something on myself. 2 to 3 jumpers, perfect. 1 warm layer, a hoodie or a thicker knit, so I've got that. 2 pairs of jeans or trousers, I've got at least double that at the moment. 1 comfy outfits, I have packed some joggers, so that's nice. 1 slightly nicer outfit, I've packed a dress. A waterproof jacket. A lightweight jacket. And a puffer jacket. For argument's sake, I will pack my coat. But I don't like wearing my coat. But I will. Footwear. Okay, I haven't had any shoes yet. So, comfortable walking shoes or trainers. So I'll pack some trainers. Waterproof shoes or boots. And sliders. I don't own sliders. So I'm just going to pack 2 pairs of trainers. Maybe 3. Maybe 3. Underwear, pajamas, all of that stuff we've got. Then it says to pack a small umbrella. That's a good idea. Sunglasses. A hat or a cap. I can't pack a hat because I look like a potato. A scarf. That's a good idea. I'll pack a scarf. Toiletries. Lip balm. SPF. And then because we film, so ChatGPT knows we film, it wants us to pack aesthetic outfits for thumbnails. I'm not doing that. Tripod, good idea. Extra batteries and mics. And then bags, water bottles, chargers, a small day backpack. I feel like that's not enough. Okay, well, that's what it's recommending. So I need a scarf, an umbrella. My sunglasses are in my car, so that's that's pretty spot on. I'll show you what I've packed in just a second, but that's pretty spot on. Okay, just a quick rundown of the smellies and things I've got. I really like this toner. It smells like watermelon and I really like it. I've got my Wild deodorant. This one is cola scented. Very nice. Heat protectant. This one also smells nice and I like it. Makeup remover. My reusable makeup wipes are in the washing machine at the moment. This is a Dossier fragrance. This is my favourite one at the moment. And this styler, heat stylers, they're the smellies I decided on. I need to add the stuff that I'm using day to day, but... and then I've got this bag of, I want to say makeup, but it's got hair ties in there, serums, face mask, under eye masks, my brushes, anything that I would need to make me look a little bit more presentable. I also need to pack my Dyson stuff. One thing it didn't mention on ChatGPT, which is interesting to me because I suppose I didn't tell it I would be going swimming, but we've got, well, I'm not going to go swimming, but we've got a hot tub at the lodge, so I will need swimwear, which I would have forgotten had I not remembered it, which makes no sense. Yeah, so the rest of my case just kind of look this, and then I need to add shoes, my Dyson stuff, a hairbrush, we need to pack for the dog, all of that jazz. But it's a good start. You guys are going to be telling me in the comments, remember this, don't forget that. So I've still got some washing to put on before I can finish packing. And we're trying to take one big suitcase and like a small one each. We're trying to pack lighter, basically, but I'm terrible at it. So I don't know. One thing I do need to bear in mind is that we've got a washing machine in the lodge as well. So I can wash things. It's not the end of the world. I just like to have my things. I also need to add some more books to my Kindle before we go. I'm about 50% into the book I'm currently reading. I'm hoping to finish that this week. So then I will need something fresh to start while we're on holiday, and I like to have options, so I'll do that later today. We're up together with videos, which is great. And in my, so this will go in my, like, it's not hand luggage bag because we're not going on a plane, but like my day bag, I guess, for when we're traveling up. I also need to remember to take my purse, actually. I'm really terrible for like just relying on my phone, but I need to have my cards with me. So I need to take my purse. That's a good idea, Emma. Remember that. What else? Nothing really. I need my water bottle. Just, I feel like I'm going to forget something. I suppose as long as I've got myself, I'm okay. Yeah, let me know what your travel essentials are down in the comments below. Let me know what you think I'm forgetting, because I'm definitely forgetting something. I'm pretty sad that I won't need the shorts that I've packed. Maybe I should take them out and make some room for some more like warmer clothes to layer with. I don't know, but that ChatGPT definitely helped. I don't know if it could do a full travel list for somebody that likes to overpack like me, but it was interesting seeing what it had to say, and I don't think it would have packed enough t-shirts. 5 t-shirts for 7 days or 7 nights is not enough in my opinion, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this quick little video and helping me pack. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.